What if I told you you could slow down or even reverse aging without changing your diet at all? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 simple science-backed habits that activate your body's anti-aging genes. I'm Anna Collins, the mind-body nutritional therapist. So first, let's understand what's actually going on inside your body. Every cell in your body contains chromosomes, half from your mother, half from your father. On those chromosomes are your genes. Your genes are essentially instructions for making proteins, and these proteins determine everything: how your body functions, how you feel, how you age, and even your risk of disease. Now, at the end of each chromosome, there's a protective cap called a telomere. Think of it like the plastic tip at the end of a shoelace. It stops everything from fraying. Every time your cells divide, these telomeres get a little bit shorter, and when they become too short, your cells can't function properly anymore, and that is when aging and damage accelerates. But here's the exciting part: you can actually influence this process. For a long time, scientists believed that our genetics were fixed, that your health destiny was set in stone. But the science of epigenetics has completely changed that. Epigenetics literally means above the genes. It shows us that how you live, your daily habits, can switch certain genes on or off. And one of the most important groups of genes involved in aging are called sirtuins. These are your longevity genes. They help regulate aging, metabolism, and how your body handles stress. So the goal is simple: activate your sirtuins. Here are 3 powerful ways to do exactly that, and they don't involve food. Number 1, cold exposure. At the end of your shower, turn the water to stone cold. Now, I won't lie, when I first started this, I used to screech and there might have been some cursing involved. But start small. Try 30 seconds and gradually build up to about 2 minutes. That seems to be the sweet spot for activating those amazing longevity genes. This works through something called hormesis, basically a small manageable stress that makes your body stronger over time. You can also get this effect from sea swimming or cold water dips, especially here in Ireland, where, let's face it, the sea is never ever warm. Just a quick note: if you have heart conditioning, check with your doctor first. Number 2, get outside in natural daylight for at least 20 minutes a day. This is all about specific wavelengths of light, particularly red and near infrared light, which activate those sirtuin genes. These wavelengths support your cells and help protect your telomeres, your biological aging caps. The key thing to know is that indoor lighting, especially LEDs, doesn't provide the same benefits because they block those infrared and red light. So if you're indoors most of the day, try and go for a walk at lunchtime, or even taking short 5-minute outdoor breaks. And even when you're wrapped up in layers, those wavelengths can still reach your body. Bright days are best, and PS, sunblock doesn't block this helpful red light. Number 3, your eating window. You might have heard of intermittent fasting, and all it really means is reducing the number of hours in the day that you're eating. Research shows that the longer your eating window, the faster you tend to age. For example, if you're having your first calories at 7 a.m. and your last snack at 10 p.m, that's a 15-hour window. But if you shift that to something like 10 a.m. to 7 p.m, that's just 9 hours, and much more supportive for your body. As a general guide, around 8 hours works well for men and about 10 for women. Personally, I've found this makes a huge difference to mental clarity and energy. That said, if you're under a lot of stress or dealing with hormonal issues like hypothyroidism, it's important to go gently and not push your body too hard. So if you want to support your body to age better, not just live longer, but stay healthier and sharper, start with these 3 habits: cold exposure, natural light, and smarter mealtime. If you're aging faster than you want, get in touch for a chat about how to achieve a more youthful, energetic you now.